second episode of Pillow Talks with Pallavi. Thank you so much for joining once again. Thank you so much. I guess there was some technical errors, and so we are starting it all over again. Thank you so much for joining. And as you all know, that we are being hushed around in this quarantine, and कुछ ना कुछ तो creativity चाहिए होती है यार, because we cannot go outside, we cannot do anything, and obviously we have to be busy around. So and that is why I guess पिछली बार जब हमने बात करी तो ये बात थी that everyone in this quarantine is being a baker, and now the second thing is like everyone wants to be what artist, creator, I don't know what and all. So here I'm talking about drawing, painting or anything, and so one form of art which is called as mandala. As you all know guys, mandala is one form of art which can be which is like लोग उसे doodling भी कहते हैं, actually मैं भी कह रही थी, but I then met a girl named as Ambika Agrawal, and she said me no, this is not actually doodling Pallavi, this is something else. And there came my second guest of Pillow Talks with Pallavi, who is Ambika Agrawal, and guys, she is an interior designer, she is a graphic designer, but she chose her passion, and she has been doing this mandala art since 4 years. Wow, that's a great time, seriously. Also, मैं एक सवाल पूछती हूँ आप सबसे. If you all know about mandala art, let me ask you something. जब भी we see any kind of mandala art, we see it as circular. Why? So I call upon my guest Ambika Agrawal. Oh my god, finally.
You can see me, I guess, now. Yes.
I'm so happy.
I know, right? And third time is always a charm, I guess. So here we
Yeah.
are. Oh God, don't tell me.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Thank you so much for joining me on my show, Pillow Talks. I hope that you're having your pillow with you.
Yes, I do. And that too a mandala pillow cover.
Wow. Loved it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I hope आपको आपका like introduction, you loved it, and as I told that you are very passionate about. Okay. No, actually that's a very great span of time. 4 years you doing this. This is really great. So अभी ठीक है, मतलब अभी आप कैसे अपने आप को ऐसे इस टाइम पे, इस लॉकडाउन में से बिजी रख रहे हो? लाइक what all you do?
So basically in this lockdown, I give most of my time to my obviously this passion, this art form. But uske alawa bhi I like cooking, so I cook a lot. So I help my dad in his business and everything. So there are a lot of things to do. I sleep. I love sleeping. So this is what lockdown is like, all about, I guess. The main thing I invest my time is in art form, I guess. So basically the thing is, I do this basically at night. So that is the thing that comes my creativity. Every people have their own this thing. So I like doing it during the night time. So it, and during the day I sleep. So that is my schedule basically.
Perfect. I can agree. As creative people, a lot of people I've met and they have said that that 2 a.m. thought आता है, and at that
Absolutely.
time चीजें बनती है, होती है, जो भी होता है उस टाइम पे ही होता है, जो भी होता
है। दिमाग उसी टाइम पे काम करता है अच्छे से, I guess.
Exactly. So if you'll give permit, man, I ask you questions about mandala art.
Yes. Shoot.
Okay. So shooting out to my first question, I would like to ask you that what is actually this mandala art? Like, how can you describe it?
So basically, mandala art is these were basically anciently used by Buddhist people. So that these Buddhist people, these monks, they use these mandalas for their healing purposes. They heal people, right? So while healing people, they use these mandalas, and after healing, they used, these were made on something like tile form, and they then used to break these tiles. After healing, yeah, that was the main procedure actually. You have a lot to learn about mandala. There is much in deep. There is much in deep. But right now, today, in mandala art, like people are they're designing. There are various forms of mandala actually. People are basically these are in circular form. And people have started making it in square, rectangle. For that, I'm sorry. So people have started using this different forms and everything. Today, actually, even therapists also recommend these things. This mandala, coloring the mandala, so that it's a good form of therapy. Actually, they recommend this for to calm your mind. This calms your mind a lot. Actually, a lot. This relaxes you. Yeah, and there are these coloring books available in the market. So you can just get these books and color them, sit and color them. You get so lost in it, you get to concentrate on, your patience level gets increased. So that is the thing about mandalas. It has another level of beauty to it. So when one starts doing it, you can actually not stop yourself. That is what I have realized actually with this time span.
Oh, wow, that is so great. I mean, and during this, when house arrest we are there, हमें बाहर जाने को नहीं है. I guess everyone knows कि वो 9 to 5 की job होती है, चाहे फिर कोई भी job हो, and then we spend weekends at nature. We go to somewhere around nature and then we heal ourselves. And then and this is what you told is one of the healing activity, which is which is so helpful for people. At this point of time where they cannot go outside. Wow, this is really.
It is really very helpful. When you don't get to meet new people, you don't get to interact with the world outside. You just have to be with yourself. So there is this thing that can help you. Not only this, I guess any art form is a therapy. It gets you know yourself better. I guess you can be with yourself using those colors and everything. It automatically relaxes you, calms you.
I guess मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि colors ही एक type की therapy है. Playing with colors or with pens.
But basically, the thing is, I don't do only colors. So I do basically most of 80% of my art is black and white. So when I use that also now, it requires concentration, it requires patience. So I have actually set 4 to 5 hours straight working on one art piece.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah. So and you don't even get to know you cross that much of time.
Yeah.
So that is the thing. It is not only about colors. It is about how much how much passionate you are about it, or how much time you can invest, or how you can bring out your creativity.
Exactly.
So that is the thing. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I agree on the part because when sometimes it depends वो होता है ना कि you have to do something, you are very aggressive about some situation and then you just have to do something, or आप you take a coloring book, you color, or you do painting, drawing, sketching, or mandalas or doodling something. It really helps.
That is why we say art has a very on your mood, it can change your mood. It can actually change your mood totally. That is why it is said that.
And there comes my next question. That so because we're talking about mood, do you really believe that art has mood? What I wanted to ask that if I am sad, तो मेरी paintings क्या dark color में जाएगी? If I'm happy, तो I'll use bright color. या फिर talking about mandalas, कि मतलब अगर मैं चाहती हूँ तो उसमें कैसा होगा? It does it depends upon mood कि mandala art कैसा बनेगा?
Actually, it does depend on that. The way your mood is, you select that kind of colors. It is actually said that, but personally, when I go to see this, when I am sad or when I am mind is little down or anything, I don't think about the colors. It is whatever comes to my mind, whatever I see, I actually go through some things to get my inspiration. So that is when I realized that I want to do this, I want to do that. So I don't think you don't think about it, just comes into you.
Yeah, actually what I believe in mandala art basically. So this art it gets denser in the middle, and wider outside it gets. And what I believe is when you are more concentrated or in your dark mood, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that people make their art more denser, वो उसे बहुत complicated बनाते हैं, and उसके हिसाब से the things goes, वो होता है ना कि मतलब जो specifically if I have even seen in your work, some of the mandala arts are so मतलब denser, and उसमें मैं नहीं समझ पाऊंगी कि आपने कितनी lines draw करी है and क्या. So that also, I guess, depends upon the mood. Because
yes, totally. That is actually the intricacy of the work. So you can call that intricacy. So the pen forms or anything, it depends on totally on the design, the mood, and everything. Like it is on you how much. At times it happens like I don't want to make that intricate designs. It is like ऊपर से बना दिया, खत्म हो गया काम. वो चीज होता है. कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि I just want to do as much as I can. I want to implement as much patterns and things into it as much as I can. That is the thing.
Yes. Yes.
It is totally on my mindset, on my mood, or anything. Yeah.
Yeah, I totally agree. Yeah, totally. So, मतलब coming to my next question is that कि अभी कैसा है ना कि हम even I should say that I'm a 90s kid in this time. So what was happening that हमारे प्रोफेशन सिर्फ यही थे, डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स, सीए और वगैरह वगैरह, the mainstream which we can say MBA, like a business person or something like that. But what is, because you have been into mandala art since 4 years, and that is actually a very great time, very long time span, and you might know lot of things about this art. So what would you say about to the people कि क्या हम इसको as a profession ले सकते हैं? We shall we take it as a mainstream, this art?
So basically the thing is, there are many artists who are into this full-time mandala thing. They create many things like they make wall arts. They draw mandala on walls, like whole big mandalas on walls as a wall decor. So
Okay.
so there are people who make stationeries out of this mandala art. They draw their mandalas themselves and they get them printed on their stationeries. So there are many things you can do out of these mandalas. Like not only on mandalas, I am talking about all overall art. So as an artist, yes, you can take it as a profession. And I feel in India there is not much, like people are like not much aware about this thing. Like out of India, if you see, there are many people who actually take up this and it is valued there.
Yeah.
Right. Here it is like people actually think about it, like because it is not much valued. It is, people compare this with the money thing or something monetarily or something like that. It gets a little like that is the thing.
Passion, you don't get much of money बहुत जल्दी. Maybe it will take time. किसी को बहुत जल्दी हो. अभी specifically क्या होता है? We just think that money is what matters, but sometimes we should go with passion. It is true.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and I got to know this very new thing that mandala art is used for walls, matlab like interior designing walls.
Yes. So basically people, especially those who have their studios and anything, art studios, they actually make a whole big mandala on their walls or anything, like they do doodling. Obviously like mandalas they make like huge mandalas on their walls and stuff like that. That gives an actually a good like aura and everything, vibration. It gives a good vibrations and aura.
We've told that in the very beginning that the Buddhist monks, they used to take it, and I guess Buddhism is what about meditation, and there comes meditation and everything. Yeah, absolutely.
It is used for meditation purpose and everything.
Wow, that is actually really nice, and which is मेरे ख्याल से इस टाइम पे बेसिकली ये चीज बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होगी है लोगों के लिए, बिकॉज पीपल आर गोइंग क्रेजी क्योंकि करने को ही कुछ नहीं है यार. वी आर जस्ट हाउस अरेस्ट, कुछ नहीं है करने को.
Totally. So it is actually needed.
Actually, and one more thing, mandala art, I guess tattoos के लिए भी use होते हैं. I guess people
yes.
also of these
a lot of people, and इतने सारे tattoo patterns है, like they go, and I've actually seen people on their whole body, not only females but also males, like on their shoulders, chest and everything. When you just Pinterest about it, actually I Pinterest my designs, at that time I see tattoos. People have this big mandalas and everything, full dense intricate work on like full arms and shoulders and chest, everything.
Wow,
This is so beautiful. It is so beautiful, you can't even.
this should be kept as a mainstream. It's not about just mandala, it's about art, yeah. It's about
Exactly.
passion.
It is any kind of art. It should be valued. That is the most important thing.
Exactly. I totally agree.